Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. The concept of probability goes back to relative frequency as well. Relative frequency. For example, if I say this is x, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and I am drawing the frequency as well. So the frequency is 5, 10, 15 and 5. Okay. So for example, I am saying that x denotes the number of outcomes that can be possible, right? It can be 0, 1, 2, 3. And the frequency that how frequently that outcome can occur. Okay. So it means that 0 outcome can come 5 times, the other outcome can come 10 times. Similarly, the outcome number 2 can come like 15 times, and the outcome number 3 can come like 5 times. Okay. So what we are doing, we will just gonna find out relative frequency. Relative frequency states that the frequency relative to the total. So first of all, I am gonna find out the total frequency, right? For the total frequency, I am gonna just draw one more part, and that is cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency would be like 5 for the first time, 5 plus 10, right? Addition of the next one, right? 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, and it is equals to 30. And similarly, for the fourth one, 30 plus 5, it will become 35. So overall, the total frequency is 35, or you can write it over here. And the notation for that is sum of f is equals to 35. Now how you would find the relative frequency? Relative frequency is equivalent to a frequency or individual frequency right, the individual value of a frequency divided by the sum of frequency. So the individual frequency is what over here? It is 5 and the total is 35, so it will become 1 over 7. Similarly, the next one, it is 10 over 35. The value becomes 2 over 7. Then we have 15 over 35. This is 3 over 7. And the last one is 5 over 35, and the value is equals to 1 over 7. Right? So as I mentioned earlier, the concept of probability is based on relative frequency, and if you look at relative frequency over here, and if you sum them all, 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7, and what will be the final value? Like 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so the total value is 7 over 7, so 1. So this also goes to show that the sum of probability is equivalent to 1. I hope you guys have understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.